Let's talk about grapefruit seed extract, a powerful antibiotic, antifungal, and antiviral agent.
Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist, get healthy now.
Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. Well, this is some wonderful stuff. Grapefruit seed extract in a pill form really does a great job. I mean, this stuff is amazing. I'm amazed that a lot more people don't use it because it has wonderful qualities and it kills 60 different types of bacteria, even antibiotic-resistant bacteria, kills yeasts and kills viruses. I mean, it's amazing. Contains polyphenols, limonoids, narinogen, say that a few times, also naringin and hesperin, all kinds of different powerful antioxidants would do the body good also. Also contains vitamin C, citric acid. We know what vitamin C is, pretty amazing stuff. Sterols, plant sterols, tocopherols, and lots of trace minerals also. So this is one of my favorite things. I mean, it's really amazing stuff. It's a natural healing agent. You know, it's not like some of the other things that you get, you have to take to kill things off, like maybe an antibiotic or something like that. So this is a natural antibiotic. Amazing. American immunologist Jacob Harich actually discovered this back in 1980, and they actually looked at the grapefruit seeds and they were in a trash pile, and they noticed that, you know, it wasn't decomposing like everything else. It's like, what is this? What's going on here? So he started looking at the grapefruit seed extract and either eating the grapefruit seeds themselves, or also the lining, the white peel of the grapefruit also has these extracts, and they were both good for you. So very amazing stuff. And he started finding they have great qualities. Also, it's like I said, a natural antibiotic. A study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine actually did a test, and they showed that it actually could kill and disrupt bacterial walls within 15 minutes and actually destroy the bacteria in a very short time. Like I said, it kills 60 different types of bacteria. It kills yeast, even candida, and lots of viruses. And it breaks down the outer membrane of the bacteria, so they're gone like that. It's used in commercial use for all kinds of different things, in agriculture for fungi and bacteria, preventing mold, killing parasites in animal feeds, and helping preserve food and disinfect water even. You can actually disinfect water, and I'll get into that at the very last. I'll get into dosage and everything. So hang in there with me. We're going to talk about a lot. This is a lot of stuff that this stuff can do. It's powerful antioxidant, shows that it actually contains a lot of vitamin E and flavonoids and essential oils and polyphenols, all kinds of great stuff. Lots of narinogen, which is an antioxidant. It actually protects the tissues against radiation damage. So, wow, amazing. It protects the stomach from ulcers and damage from like alcohol and things like that. Also kills H. pylori, so if you want to get rid of that bacteria. It also gets rid of inflammation, and powerful anti-inflammatory that helps with redness, pain, and swelling. It lowers blood sugar. A study showed that it was effective as some of the drugs for lowering blood sugar. Also helps with weight loss in a great way also. Studies with animals actually showed that it actually lowered the risk of heart disease and diabetes, and showed that they didn't have obese rats after they were giving grapefruit seed extract. Another study actually showed that it enhanced fat burning capacity and energy production and insulin sensitivity. It actually increased insulin sensitivity. It blocks UV rays, and so very good for, you know, preventing sun problems and causing all kinds of problems with your skin. And then as actually prevents the side effects of diabetes in a great way, retinopathy, bone loss, also kidney damage and heart disease. All these side effects of diabetes can be helped with grapefruit seed extract. Also helps with a lot of different things. It can help with allergies and athlete's foot and colds and flus and eczema, gingivitis, vaginal infection, sore throat, acne even, all kinds of things. It lowers cholesterol, actually increases blood flow to organs also, and studies show that it actually kills candida. And a study in 2001 actually showed that 33% grapefruit extract was very effective against killing candida in general. It also kills histoplasmosis, and I've known people who died of histoplasmosis. So this can be very severe, and actually a dose of 100 milligrams capsules or 5 to 10 drops in water 3 times a day actually can kill the histoplasmosis. It's antimicrobial for fungus and bacteria in general, like I said, and they use it in all kinds of things. And you probably didn't notice it was in throat sprays and nasal sprays and ear drops and mouthwashes and toothpaste, shower gels and wound disinfectants and all kinds of personal care use things. It's a better preservative to use instead of some of these chemicals, which are terrible. And it's a natural thing which you can use. Companies are starting to switch over now and to kill unwanted bacteria. It's great for athlete's foot. You can actually take the extract and put it on your feet, and it'll kill the bacteria and the fungus, and that will do a great job. Also, if you have nail fungus, you can take the extract and put it right on the nails, and after a while, that will work also just as well as tea tree oil, in fact, so really great. Helps with fighting colds and flus and viruses in general, and really great for all that type of thing, so I want to make sure you know about that. Also, like I said, toenail fungus, great for killing urinary tract infections, especially the antibiotic-resistant ones. So if you have antibiotic-resistant urinary tract infection, you might want to take some grapefruit seed extract, and not to get mixed up with grapefruit seed extract. And in the Journal of Complementary Medicine, it was found that actually patients actually eating the seeds itself, actually 5 or 6 seeds a day, actually improve their whole process of having a urinary tract infection. Helps with eczema, side effects of GI distress, and actually works great for that type of thing. All kinds of other diseases. It helps with inflammation, protects against diabetes and obesity and metabolic syndrome. Helps with gingivitis, also with dandruff and diarrhea, earaches, and parasites. It even kills parasites too. Helps with sore throats and sinusitis and ulcers. And you can actually purify water by taking 10 to 25 drops of grapefruit seed extract and putting that in a gallon of water and letting it shake it up and let it sit for a few minutes, and actually will kill everything. But it's a little bit bitter. There's no doubt about that. You might want to put something else in there to overcome the bitterness. But in a pinch, it will do a job. There's no doubt about that. It's a great cleansing agent. You can actually add it to water, and it'll kill everything. And you can use it for disinfecting all kinds of things. And rinse it thoroughly also afterwards. Also can be used for pancreatitis. So if you have pancreatitis, you might want to listen up. In the Journal of Physiology and Pharmacology in 2004, they found it very effective for increasing blood flow to the pancreas. Make sure you get grapefruit seed extract, which is actually doesn't have a bunch of chemicals in it. Those chemicals are toxic. You want to make sure it's just the extract itself, or maybe has some bioflavonoids with it and different other natural things with it. And a lot of people have gotten in trouble actually having these preservatives in it, which is not good. And also, in drops, a typical dose is anywhere from 10 to 12 drops in a glass of water, at least 5 ounces of water or more, and one or up to 3 times a day if you want to. Depends on the person, what's going on with that person. And capsules and tablets, 100 to 200 milligrams, 1 to 3 times a day also. Forms, you can get it in extract, as far as drops go, and capsules and tablets. As far as the side effects go, as far as that goes, there's a lot of controversy about that. I find there's really not that many side effects whatsoever. If you take too much of it, it's going to upset your stomach, give you gas and nausea and that type of thing. It may interact with some of your medications that you're taking, so I recommend if you're not to take medications in the first place, and then you won't have any interactions whatsoever. It might interact with blood thinners also, so that's another thing to think about. Also, I don't recommend it if you're nursing, pregnant, or small children, that type of thing. So, or going to get pregnant in general. Also, you can eat the seeds. You take your grapefruit, eat the seeds, or you can eat the white part on the inside of the actual peel also. That has the same thing in it. So that's really good for you. As far as, other things, if you're taking medications, I don't recommend it because it can interact with some of your medications. Like I said, it's a good cleaning agent, and side effects are very rare. It inhibits certain types of enzymes, so it can interact with some medications. Dilute it for, I don't recommend it for your eyes, absolutely not for your eyes. And if you're going to put it on anywhere topically, make sure you dilute it really well, like 1 to 20. It's really strong stuff. And so it's another thing, if you're putting it in your nose, your ears, or, any sensitive area, make sure you really dilute it well, because it'll burn, first of all, and you're not going to be a happy camper. So grapefruit seed extract, another way that you can actually heal yourself in a natural way. And I think a lot more attention needs to go to grapefruit seed extract. I wouldn't recommend taking it all the time. There's different camps about this, and whether it kills off all the good bacteria also, whether it will kill everything, and or just kill the bad bacteria. It's lots of different people saying different things about it. I don't recommend taking it long term. I recommend no more than 7 to 10 days. And then come back to it if you need to after taking a break. Even my Chinese medicine doctor says, you take this for, 7 to 10 days and take a 20-day break. So I'm a little more lenient than that. I'll give you a week off, but I recommend, eat right and be well. That's my great saying. And if you go to my website, you can say my diet and we can get you in great health. If you want to do a consult, let me know. If you want to get a hold of me, all my contact information is right there, or at the end of the video, you can actually pause it and see my contact information. Let's do a consult for $50 and get you on the road to really feeling great. I had one of my clients text me a couple days ago, and she's a doctor also, very interesting. And now she actually went to her yoga class, and the yoga instructor goes, "Wow, you're doing good. You have a lot more strength." And also, she said, "I feel like I'm getting younger. I look younger in the mirror." It was like, wow, this is great. She said, "Well, your process, Dr. Paul, is doing me great. I'm feeling good." So, I'm really humbled by that, and I really want to make a change in your life, too. And that $50 consult gives you a 1-year support process. So I'm here to help you get on the road to recovery and feel great like me and be extremely healthy like me, too. Have a wonderful day. Remember God, and remember, I love you.